Hello everybody. Today we are going to continue solving AMC 8 questions. In the previous videos we solved until the question 12. Today we are going to continue with question 13. These are 2023 AMC 8 questions. Let's get started. The first question, let's read it. Along the route of a bicycle race, 7 water stations are evenly spaced between the start and finish lines, as shown in the figure below. There are also 2 repair stations evenly spaced between the start and finish lines. The third water station is located 2 miles after the first repair station. How long is the race in miles? Okay, so let's try to understand the questions. We have water stations from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 7. And then we have also what? We have also repair stations. Where are the repair stations? Since they are even space, so we are going to let's assume that the first repair station is around here. Second repair station, let's assume that it's around here. So first repair station, second repair station. Okay, so uh, water stations, since they are evenly divided, how many space we have? Let's count. We have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8. I mean the whole let's say distance is divided by 8. Okay. Here, how about the repair stations? So how many space we have between repair stations? First space, second one, and third one. Okay, so this means repair stations are dividing the whole distance into 3. Let's get back to question. Okay, the third water station is located. Where are the third water station? Is here. Water 3. Water 3 is here. Okay, so let's find the distance between from here, from the start until the third water station. And after that one, if we are going to use this third water station is located after 2 miles after the first repair station. Okay, so the first repair station, and between here and here we have 2 miles. Okay, so the location of first third water station is the whole area, I mean from beginning to the end, from start to the finish, so the whole distance. Let's name it X. Okay, the location of the third water station, so all area is going to be divided by 8 and then multiplied by 3 divided by 8 because we have 8 evenly spaced distance, and then each of them are x over 8, x over 8, x over 8. This means we have 3x over 8. This is the location of water station 3, third water station, equals located 2 miles after the first repair station. Okay, for the repair stations, we are dividing all the distance by 3. Okay, x, okay, this is the all distance divided by 3. And then this is the location of first repair station. This is the location of repair station 1. Okay, now let's do all the calculations. I'm going to here 3x over 8 equals 2 over 1 plus x over 3. Okay, so let's make all denominators equal, and then I'm going to multiply this one by 3 to make it 24. 24 multiply 1 times 24, and then 3 times 8. Okay, then let's continue. 3 times 3, 9x over 24 equals 48 over 24 plus 8x over 24. Okay, so since all the 24s are equal, so we can use numerators. 48 plus 8x. So I'm going to put all the x's on one side, or I can do this one. 9x minus 8x equals 48 plus 8x minus 8x. So I subtract 8x from both sides to remove x's. Okay, x equals 48. What the question is asking us, how long is the race in miles? Okay, so x is the total distance from start to finish. This means the answer should be D. Let's continue with the next question. Okay. Nicholas is planning to send a package to his friend Anton, who is a stamp collector. To pay for the postage, Nicholas would like to cover the package with a large number of stamps. Suppose he has a collection of 5 cent, 10 cent, 25-cent stamps with exactly 20 of each type. What is the greatest number of stamps Nicholas can use to make exactly $7.10 in postage? Okay, let's look at the note. The amount $7.10 correspond to $7.10. $1 worth $1 is worth 10 cents. So we all aware of it. So we have 5 cents, like 5. We have 10 cents, 25 cents. Total is going to be what? So $7.10, and then we can convert this one into cents. It's going to be 710 cents. Yes. Okay, let's continue. So we want to have the greatest number of stamps. That's why what I am going to start with is, if I use all the stamps in 5 cents, I think my number is going to be big. So let's assume that since maximum number of stamps is going to be 20, so that's why let's give the maximum number of stamps for 5 cents, 20. And then for, let's look at how much is total. It's going to be 100 cents. 5 times 20. Okay, maybe we can use something like this. 5 times 20 is going to equal to uh, 100 cents. This means $1, but since we are using cents, let's stick with it. Okay, let's continue with the second one. 10, let's use 20 here as well. So it's going to be 200. What is the remaining? Let's look at here. 710, and then we are done with 200. What is remaining is going to be 510. Okay, so for 510, to make 510, so what we can do, if we divide 510 by 25, so we are going to have um, sorry, I made a mistake. 100, 200 plus, when we add them together, is going to be 300. So we need to subtract 300 from 710. So the remaining amount we have is 410. Let's assume that we are going to use it for this one, and then what we can do is if we multiply by 16, we are going to get 400. 400, and total is going to be now 700. So still we need 10 here, but it's going to be impossible to increase these ones. So it's going to be impossible to increase these ones, and then we have to increase this one to 17, and then we need to decrease these ones. When we increase this one to 17, 25 times 17 is going to be 425. So the total is going to be now 425 plus 200 plus 100 is going to be 725. So this means we need to subtract what? 15 from here to get 710. So this is what we need to do. Okay, so I want to subtract from here first because I want to decrease the number as small as possible. Okay, so let's decrease this one to 19. Okay, 19. This means 10 times 19 is going to be 190. Still, we decrease 10, but still we need to decrease 5. So this one is going to be, we need to multiply by 19. So the result is going to be 95. Okay, 19 stamps. So 5 is going to be 5 cents. And then 19 of them is going to be 10 cents, and then 17 of them is going to be 25. 19, 19, 17. So the result is going to be, the question is asking what is the greatest number of stamps. So what we need to do is we need to add them together, 19, 19 and 17. The number we are going to get, 9 plus 9 is 8, 18 plus 7, 25. So we have 2, 1, 2, 3 plus 2, we are going to get 55, and our answer is going to be 55. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.